GoPro Hero 10 will be out by the following September 2021, just like the release of the GoPro Hero 9 September 2020. We all admit that GoPro Hero has indexed best action camera at the moment, so programming a new model which gives us more hype about the product compared to other. The camera always stands out when it has best lens, and GoPro has max lens mode which can provide ultra wide images, so we are not only famous for its brand, but also wide range of lenses can be seen. But also powerful sensor can provide you with the best shooting result. Without asking any functional questions, GoPro Hero 10 lives up to the noble intentions of customers, so that no other sport cameras can match the specifications and quality. As the company plans to create display that can remove and switch to any remote control. The release date of GoPro Hero 10. The company has officially announced the next new GoPro Hero 10, which may be released in the mid-2021 after the Hero 9 release on September 1, 2020. Resolution is the key feature of the camera to produce high-quality images. GoPro goes on the step further on the max lens mode, which provides us ultra-wide field view 155 degree and image stability up to 2.7K. We expect GoPro Hero 10 to be a bit faster, such as 2.7K slow motion and 480 fps. This will take your camera to a whole new level. The wireless charging station that can be used to charge the camera is very convenient. In this way, adventurous and natural photographers can recharge their devices effortlessly. The smooth charging process will greatly enhance the user experience. However, the lack of night mode usually reduces the quality of such videos. Very welcome to improve portrait mode like iOS device can take perfect photos. The action camera's GoPro Hero Black is very popular all over the world. Popular cameras have both portability, high quality images. GoPro cameras are very cost effective, especially considering their reasonable prices. GoPro Hero Black is used by photographers, adventurers and various artists. All these people seems to be very satisfied their purchases. All these people are waiting for the release of the GoPro Hero 10. According to GoPro's release cycle, the GoPro Hero 10 camera will be released in September 2021. Most of the company's cameras were released in September. GoPro Hero 9 Black was released in September 2020. GoPro Hero 7 Black was released in 2018, with the Hero 7 Silver and Hero 7 White. GoPro always releases its cameras in September. The best thing about the GoPro cameras is that they are made for all photographers. It is very common. From video blogger, adventurers, artists, the design of the GoPro Hero 10. However, it is clear that design has older. The design of the Hero 9 Black is slightly different from the previous model. Hero 9 Black is bigger. In addition to size, the camera also has front LCD screen. This time continue to use new version. Users speculate that they may be larger than the normal GoPro cameras. Recently, the function of GoPro have developed rapidly in terms of technology. The camera has exceeded expectations. The GPS and motion sensor were much welcome feature. This enables adventurers to better record their adventures. Voice control is another noteworthy feature.